Hello everyone, today I will be taking you to another amazing experience. Please join me as I tour you around and experience Uzud waterfalls, one of the most spectacular waterfalls in North Africa, located 95 miles or approximately 150 kilometers north of Marrakesh, Morocco. Before we hike down, let us first enjoy and admire the views of the cascades that plunge 360 feet or 110 meters into the pool below. It is indeed spectacular. From here, we will hike for about 30 minutes to the bottom of the waterfalls, where we will admire more the beauty of Uzud Falls. The bottom of the falls is accessible through a shaded path of olive trees. The trail is a bit steep and uneven, so a suitable footwear is highly required for your own comfort. As we continue down a network of trails, we're able to pass few bountiful pomegranate and orange trees, where we can buy fresh juices from freshly picked fruits. The name of the falls is actually derives from the Berber culture, meaning the act of grinding grain. It has a stunning beauty and so magical. Our Uzud experience wouldn't be complete without taking a board into their traditional raft for a short ride and to get up close to the falls. This trip is perfect for enjoying the wonders of nature and the serenity of the cascading falls. Uzud Falls is also home to a population of monkeys who enjoy the waters and the occasional tourists. The monkeys of Uzud are wild. However, they love to play with visitors, especially if they bring treats. These animals are very comic around humans. So it is more than likely that they will immediately jump on and cling on your arms or legs. This is the end of our Uzud Waterfalls experience. I hope you've enjoyed our adventure. Thank you for watching and see you soon for more fun and exciting experience.